Hey everybody, welcome back to Boost Your Income with Bootstrap to WordPress. This is a brand new section called, what's it called? Environment Setup. Get your project started. And in this lecture, we're going to be downloading Bootstrap. All right, so in this course, we're obviously going to be using Bootstrap, so we're going to need to download it. And the easiest way of getting Bootstrap is by downloading it from getbootstrap.com. All you have to do is click the Download Bootstrap button right in the center of the screen. But keep in mind that during the time of the recording of this course, I'm using version 3.2.0. So if you are from the future and downloading Bootstrap and you see that that number is different, keep in mind that your code, the code that Bootstrap supplies you, or the framework itself, or the CSS classes, the styles, the JavaScript, might be different. It might not be that different. You might still be able to use the exact same classes and HTML markup that we're going to be using with version 3.2.0, but in some cases, they make some pretty drastic changes and change component names altogether. They change CSS classes, they remove elements. So if you're just going to be downloading straight from here, then please keep that in mind. You might need to make a few changes and modifications if you are downloading a much later version. I do suggest trying it and having the most up-to-date version, because that's always the best way. But if you want to start by using the version that I have, or that I'm going to be using throughout this course, then you can download that version as well. I'll supply it in the downloads section of this lecture, and also in the next lecture where we're going to download the full course files with everything. I'll include the version 3.2.0 in there as well. So just to wrap up what I just said there, you can download Bootstrap. I recommend using the latest version, but it might be easier for you during the duration of this course to use version 3.2.0. You can download that in the downloads section of this lecture, or wait until the next lecture where you'll get everything all in one bundle. All right, so go ahead and hit the download Bootstrap button and I'll show you what you get. So right here, they give you three options for 3.2.0. You just get the Bootstrap version, you get source code, or you get Sass. Never mind Sass, because that's using a CSS compiler called Sass or less, and we're not going to be covering that in this course. This right here just gives you the source less files, JavaScript font files, and the docs. This also requires a less compiler and some additional setup. Skip this one as well. This is what we're going to be focusing on right here. Just the compiled and minified CSS, JavaScript, and fonts. No docs or original source files are included, just the Bootstrap. Go ahead and hit that button. And then you'll be given a file, a zip file, that looks like this. Bootstrap-3.2.0.zip. Again, if you're from the future, you might have a different version. This is what the source files look like if you unzip that. So you get a CSS folder with a bunch of CSS, a fonts folder with some font files, and JS with a couple JavaScript files. That's what we're going to be using. And again, you could download it right from the source at getbootstrap.com, or download 3.2.0 for the duration of this course in the download section, or wait till the next lecture. See you there.